How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Samsung Gear VR with any phones out there. So it's going to be compatible for phones that can physically fit the cage right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually put the phone or any phone that you are using onto the case for the Gear VR on Samsung. And most people use it for something like YouTube. So in here, let's go ahead and search for something like VR video. You could also search for VR games if you want to. Let's then go ahead and select this one. And you also have to make sure that this video is playing on the phone that your screen is plugged into. So just go ahead and plug the screen onto the actual VR that you have, and from there you will be able to use it with any one of your phones. But if your phone doesn't support gyro functionality, you could also search for split right here. So it will split the video in the middle. So in that way, we'll be able to use it on our VR headset. And so in that way, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.